Investigation data analysis. At the beginning of both these graphs, we see values for resting and pre-test that are higher than expected. This could be due to a thing known as anticipatory raise, which is where things such as breathing rate, heart rate, and blood pressure can all increase before activity as a response to prepare your body for exercise or down to being nervous. In these graphs, we can see breathing rate during the Wingate test and the multi-stage fitness test. We see differing values for the breathing rate at the end of the tests and throughout the test. The reason the breathing rate changes is due to the responses the receptors send to the respiratory control center, which influences the rate of breathing. The reason this increases as the test goes on in the multi-stage fitness test is due to the fact the body needs to supply more and more oxygen to the working muscles, as the test requires you to be working aerobically for a long sustained period of time. This is apparent in the data as the recordings for the first client's breathing rate at the end of the test are highest, which is how the graph should look. As you can see in the graphs above, the values for the Wingate pre and post test for breathing rate are very different, as the pre-test is 20 and the post-test is 56. This major difference in breathing rate is due to the fact that during maximal exercise, your body will need to breathe more in order to provide your muscles with oxygen, as well as expelling waste products such as carbon dioxide. The multi-stage fitness shows a gradual increase expected, however, which is expected. However, the highest value is only 52, which shows how much more demanding maximal activity is, as the Wingate test only goes on for a short amount of time, however, increases breathing rate more than the long sustained amount of time in the multi-stage fitness test.